Morning, gang. Another morning with little buddy, the goat, the dogs, and everybody. One of the dog is being extremely rough, you know what I mean? Your brownie. Hey, mama. Mama dropped her doo-doo all over. Look at his little butt. Look at him. Look at him. Up and running. Hey, Shaggy. Shaggy is the mother dog, the little white one right there. Little buddy. I think Johnny's about to move them. Look at him. Look at this rascal. Look at him. He's going to try to hump mama. He's he's in another pair. Look at him smelling mama. Yeah, look at him, folks. He's starting to grow horns. He's starting to grow some baby horns. Look at him. Look at him trying to hump mama. Little penis gonna shoot out and all that. Oh, look at him breastfeeding. Oh yes, breastfeeding first. He's rough. Look at him. He's gonna just ram his head there. Watch. See? Told you. Badass. Badass. Yeah, she just said enough is enough. Yes. Yep. So yeah, I'm trying to show you all his horns. Look at the top of his head. Have his little horns. Hey, little buddy. The world's watching you. The world's watching, little buddy. No, don't hump mama. Look at him. See, I told you. He's going to try to hump mama. That's not nice. See, she put her tail down. She's not in heat. She need to kick his ass. She need to kick his little ass. I'm trying to hump mama. Morning, Dibs. Cousin Dibs. Look at the dogs. Also happy to see her. Hey, Shaggy. Hey, Shaggy. Look at Puppy. He's so afraid of the brown dog. The brown dog is so bad. Look here. He's trying to hump mama again. Come here, little buddy. His name is Buddy, y'all. My wife named him Buddy. Well, in Jamaica, Buddy means another term. It means penis. But, you know, in the rest of the world, it's friend. Look at him try to hump mama. He needs to get a rope and tie his ass out. Bad little ass. Hey, stop humping mama. Stop it. It's incest. Shit, animal world that goes on. Stop. She gonna kick your ass. Watch. Mama gonna kick your little ass. So today I'm gonna go to another place. Is it today or maybe when I come back from Kingston or Ochi Rice? I'm gonna go video another goat farm. Guy have a lot of goats and some more baby goats. So I'm gonna go over there and do that. You know, it's just beautiful. I guess he must have taken off his father or his great grandparents. I think his father was brown. Look at him try to fight mama. Be nice to the buddy. Yeah, he's a badass. You hear me? It's a badass. So, beautiful countryside morning. I think I need to do some laundry. This papaya tree, the palm tree right there. See all that? Back to little man right here, just being a badass. So I'm about to move him in a bit, take them somewhere else where they can get some green grass. But I'll be heading down to the the bottom of the farm, bottom of the yard, or we could call it farm. When we look at some trees today, and we're also gonna get some bush for tea. All right, so I'm gonna end this video in a few minutes, but look at the freaking brownie up there. That's a badass brownie, the one that almost ate the cat and bite up the other dog. The little one right there, over there, the white and brown one is so afraid of brownie. He's vicious, man. Vicious brownie. Yeah, but little kid right here, man. Little kid is no joke, man. All right. So this was a short video, guys. Just a little update on little ass. He's growing. He got horn. So I think the next 2 weeks or so, they're gonna put him in some ropes because he's starting to walk away far. Look at his little penis coming out too. The hell? Trying to hump a mama. Shame on you. Look at him. Try to butter and all that. Shame on your ass. Shame, 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 shame. Yeah, badass. Bye, buddy. Look at him putting his head to hit mama. Look at him. Using his little strength. He's testing his strength earlier, y'all. He is bad. Yeah, mama, you have a bad son. Look at him humping up on mama. Badass. All right, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? It's my Jamerican life. We're gonna keep on pushing, guys. We're growing. We're growing by subscribers. We're growing. Everything is growing. We're doing much better, and even better than I hope to be. But there's some stuff I got in the works to do, which is gonna push us even further. So, just hang in there with me, folks, and try to grow with me. Okay? We're gonna make this happen. All right? I'm gonna feed the cats now and head off. Try to get packing, head for Kingston today. My city. All right, see y'all. Bye.